Hi guys, welcome to this channel. Today I'm gonna show you how I made this amazing Afro beat in Afro Studio 20. So without further ado, let me show you how I made this arrangement. It's
Beats by Scientist.
Okay, let's break down in this beat. So in the first process, I added the backward melody that will always play in every beat, in every part of the melody, and that is this. This is our big theme that we used, which is gonna play in all the part of our beat backgroundly. And this is a plugin called expand called soft nylon strings. You can find it under guitars, so it sounds like this. So as you can see, this we start with an A minor key and followed by the G major key, and also the G5th key. That again adds some but and also that we add some progressions A to B to make an upwards fit, so like it's transition from the lower step to the high beat, and we ended up in the C key. That is these are the two parts of the C major key. I just removed the third key, and also down to the B diminished key. It was supposed to be this, so I removed the top key, and after that, this is the downward melody. Now the second layer I added on top is called From Purity, and it's another type of guitar, and as you can see, this is just following the background it's just following the pattern of the background that is running in the background that I showed you using the expand plugin. So this Purity is just what a guitar called AC steel guitar, that from a Purity plugin. So then after this I add a kick, just like this. Yes, after a kick, then I add an attack clip. It's supporting the kick, so it like boom, boom, boom. That's like that. After the attack clip, then I added the fracturing. After the fracturing, I add the fracturing just to add the Afro sound. So after that, I added the collider third head from it's an FL Studio plugin. You can find it under heads. Then after that, we added this one. It's MRS Harvest step just from the application in the FL Studio plugin. Then after that, again another fracture rim that does not play F, but it just participates maybe 2 beats after. 2 bars after like this. Then after we added some shakers just to make the afro feel again. After that, we added also an attack clip that is running in every part of the beat. Then after that, we added some attack hits. From FL Stock plugins again. And then some drum rolls. Okay. Then this is how this part sounds. Okay, then after that I added the bass from Purity plugin. You can find that bass, and the bass and guitar is EB fretless bass, and it sounds like this. Then after that bass, I added the melody that is playing a major role on the chorus part. So this is the melody that sounds is so plugin called the ocarina. I edited it and added some glide to it, so it will slide from one note to the next one, making a smooth soothing sound. And ocarina, it also sounds in more African way, so it sounds like this. Okay, that's basically all the things we did here. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to our channel now, and let's feel the whole beat, the whole project we did, and let's
Beats by Scientist.